Hey everyone, welcome to the T4 Show. My name is Michael Manna, and today we're going to look at the brand new Mac App Store. This is in line with the iPhone and the iPad App Store, so if you're familiar with those, this should be just as familiar with you. It attaches to your iTunes account, so it'll charge whatever credit card or gift card you have connected to that, and this is going to be pretty interesting. This is the first time I've tried this out, so I don't know how fast it's going to download. I'm looking at some of the prices, and they seem in line with what the usual software is. I am going to look, first of all, at the free ones. I see Twitter's here for the Mac, so that's something I'll be interested in. Also, Evernote, also free, great application, so very interested to see how this works when I download it. So let's hit it and see what we have. All right, up here, now it says terms and conditions of the Apple privacy policy have changed, as they always seem to do, and I will agree to that. Shouldn't have to do that again. And I want to see what happens when it downloads, where it ends up. All right, it's installed, so comes up. I can put my username and password in there. I was just curious to see how everything would go with that. And there we go. So that looks pretty good right there. Move that off to the side. And let's try Evernote. Let's see how this install goes, because it comes up in your dock, in case you didn't realize. Oh, there it goes. And you can see it's downloading. Pretty interesting. I thought there would be some sort of thing up in like the App Store in iTunes, but this is not bad either. It goes right to your dock. Seems to download pretty quickly. Thought the servers would be responding. There we go. Let's put in our stuff here. And here we go. We got the desktop version. I'll move it over. Desktop version looks really good. I like Evernote. I've been using it a lot more lately, and I've been using a couple applications like DocScanner, and that also has a Mac application, but it's an iOS app as well, and that looks really cool. I took a test picture right there. Put that up there. So try that. And of course there's other things. See, I have Aperture 3 here. I think it's cheaper here than, all right, it's installed, so it'll automatically show updates like it does for your iPhone or your iPad when you're in iTunes or even on the device. So it should work pretty well that way. I like the interface a lot. We're going to talk more about it on the live show, but for now it looks like a pretty decent. And one thing I wanted to say too, here, like iMovie, GarageBand, Keynote, the iPages, the iLife 11 and iWork 09, there's iPhoto as well. These are separate, so if you wanted to buy them separately rather than buying the entire iLife or iWork package, and down here is numbers, so for $20 a piece, say you just want pages, you could pay $20 instead of spending $79 on iWork 09. And same goes with iLife 11. You could buy just iMovie if you want iMovie and you use Aperture for your photos. So I think that's a pretty good thing that they split it up for you. Or if you want to buy the package box, you can also do that. So that's about it. The App Store for your Mac is officially open, so have fun shopping. I know I'm going to be doing it for quite a while now. So for everybody here at the T4 Show, thank you, and best of luck in all your future endeavors.